Hello friends. Candidates can apply to Türkiye scholarships on the condition that there aren't any health problems preventing the candidate's education. Candidates' birth dates must be after the 1st of January 1997 for an undergraduate programme and the 1st of January 1988 for a graduate programme and the 1st of January 1983 for a PhD programme and the 1st of January 1973 for a research scholarship. Please watch our other videos for more detailed information on Türkiye scholarship programmes. We wish you all a good day.